Hi. In this video, you'll learn how to set up manual CSV and Excel imports in Avanti Neurons for ITSM. Manual imports are useful when you need to import data during initial setup or migrations, add or update records in bulk, upload data from external systems without direct integrations, and have flexibility and control over how data is imported. In this video, you'll learn how to create a manual CSV or Excel import connection, upload and test a file, configure the source and target business object, publish and run the import, verify imported records in the workspace. This walkthrough uses a sample employee CSV file to demonstrate the process. Start by logging into Neurons for ITSM as an administrator and click the Settings icon to open the configuration console. Under Extend, expand Integration Tool and select Data Import Connections. Click Add New to start creating a new data import connection. Enter an import connection name. Select Manual File Upload in the connection type to import data from a local CSV or Excel file. Click Upload to upload the file from your local computer. Keep the File Information section in default settings. Click Test Connection to verify that the import connection is configured correctly. Close the Test Connection dialog box to exit. Click Next to set up object mapping. Provide a name for the mapping, for example, Manual CSV. Select Login ID as the source unique key so each employee record is matched correctly with their unique login ID. Search and select Employee as the target business object, so that the imported records are created or updated in the employee business object, and then click Next. Click Next to move to Filter Settings. Review the field mappings to ensure each attribute from the employee CSV file maps to the correct field. After you are done reviewing, click Next. Click Publish and Run now to start the import process. The data import process is now complete. Click OK to exit this dialog box. Now, let's review the status of the data import we just ran. Click Integration History to view the details. You can now view the import status of the file. Let's check the imported record in the employee workspace. From the home page, click More and select Employee. You can view the newly imported employee record along with the timestamp showing when the import occurred. Now you have successfully set up and run a manual CSV or Excel import. Thank you for watching. Try it now.